Hi guys, market recap for Friday, April 25th. Here's the Nasdaq Composite, down big today, down 72 Nasdaq points or 1.75%. This is exactly what I've been saying is likely to happen. My best guess or hunch is that we probably will not make a new low that we saw about 8 days ago in that square box right in there. So if you see this level looks like about 39.40. I'm thinking that we'll probably go around that 4,000 level, and then what would be healthy is that it stays above this low there, let's just say around 4,000, and starts zigzagging up. And I've described this before, but this is pretty sharp down today. It's Friday. We got this Russian-Ukrainian situation giving a little fear to the market, and I think that's going to calm down as far as that situation. I can't imagine the Russians or the Europeans or the Americans want to get any military action. But it's ruffling the market, and so people didn't want to go long into that market, especially the money managers. So there's a lot of selling today. So again, this would be a very healthy pattern that we come down some more, 2-3 more down days, 4,000 level, and this area holds really well. And that'd be ideal that we hold from these levels that we've seen over here back in late January and again this month here. And this takes a process to flattening out before it can really make any type of meaningful rally that's sustainable, let alone the fact that it could get close to the top up in here. But we're not even thinking about that at this point. So a couple more stocks got stopped out, and this is what we're looking for a few more days. Going to be a little rough week this week, and I'd start looking for a bottom to form in the Nasdaq Composite. You look at the Dow here, and it doesn't look like much has happened, but the story really is in the Nasdaq with so many high flyer stocks really getting pummeled. And you guys have seen that in these stocks that we're even trying to go long and getting stopped out. Here's an example of a stock that went to a lower low than this, what was in that trough before we bought it. It was up slightly, and then has really turned down with the market. So what you don't know about the situation is how low it could get. Could it go down to this 1150 area or 12? Well, percentage-wise, it's still a pretty big drop from here. So it's best procedure to have a break even, or best to stop below the trough that you see on this daily chart. And the trough is the bottom of the valley that started to bounce up that we went long on. Here's another example. DWRE went to a lower low, and procedures are you got to get out. It could drop below 45, so that's the discipline you want to try to stick with. We're holding off before buying any longs. I think it's a little late to start going short, and we'll wait for the Monday's market action to see what kind of ideas are coming up here. You guys take care. Have a great weekend. We'll talk to you on Monday.